Hi, welcome back, VMware TV. Jordy, I'm here at Meet the Experts, and I'm with Emad Younis. Hi, Emad, how are you?
Good.
Cool. And Emad is responsible for the technical marketing team for the vCenter appliance migration. So we can now lose Windows and go off to the appliance. Tell us, what do you want to tell me about it?
Sure. So after VMworld US, we introduced vSphere 6.0 Update U2M. So M is for migration. It's not a patch. It's not an upgrade. It's just a migration tool. And what that allows us to do is migrate from a Windows vCenter Server 5.5 to a vCenter Server Appliance 6.0 Update 2. We support all the databases supported on vSphere 5.5, so SQL Embedded, Oracle, we'll bring those over into the appliance as an embedded vPostgres database. You still, in 6.0, will have to externalize your VMware Update Manager server, but we take care of that in 6.5 because VUM is part of the appliance in 6.5. We do not make any changes to your Windows vCenter server during the migration process, so we provide an easy rollback mechanism in case something happens and you need to get back to your Windows vCenter server. We also preserve the identity of the vCenter server itself, meaning we'll bring over the FQDN, IP address, certificates, UUID, which is key because that's how a lot of applications or solutions talk to vCenter as an endpoint. So as far as they're concerned, it's the same old vCenter server. We also, by default, migrate your configuration, your inventory, and alarm data. And within that configuration, a lot of people ask, so is my distributed switch migrated over? The answer to that is yes, it's part of the configuration process. We also give you the capability of bringing over historical and performance data if you choose. In 6.0 U2M, it's just a simple checkbox. In 6.5, we actually give you granular selection, like three boxes or radio buttons or whatever. And once you're done, we do all the heavy lifting for you. We'll bring you from a Windows vCenter server to the vCenter server appliance. The added benefit in 6.5, not only VUM, but we'll also migrate either a Windows vCenter server 5.5 or 6.0, and we'll get you to 6.5 vCenter server appliance.
Okay. So is the reason that we're moving now slightly away from the Windows version of the vCenter server? Why are we doing that? What's the thought reality behind that? Is that something that we're pushing to our customers, or the customers are saying, give us the appliance because it's just a lot easier to do than an extra Windows instance?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the appliance deployment model, it's so much easier, right? You can deploy a OVF, you go through the wizard, and you're up and running with your OS, your database, and the vCenter server application all contained within that one nice appliance. In 6.5, of course, now we're changing to a Photon OS for the appliance, so we own that stack. So if anything happens, you call VMware for support, as well as we'll have unified patching, meaning when we patch the appliance, we patch the OS, database, and application all at once, compared to Windows, where you actually have to kind of do it all separately. You have to patch the operating system, and then maybe even have to hand it off to another team to patch the vCenter application, and of course you may also have another team that manages the database, so it kind of becomes more time consuming and convoluted, whereas with the appliance it's all nice and packaged together.
Cool. Thank you for this update, and enjoy the rest of your time at VMworld.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.